Tucked away on the southeast coast of the island is Tarajalejo. It's one of those places you don't really hear about, and discovering it makes you wonder why. Like many of Fuerteventura's fishing villages, it's traditional and quiet, but it's also moving forward. A few avant-garde sculptures decorate the fresh-faced promenade, which includes some small hotels and seating areas. Then, of course, there's the beach. Sheltered, clean, spacious and sandy. The darker kind, but it's still sand. It feels like the place isn't in a hurry to attract loads of people just yet, but it's still a beautiful, tourist-friendly getaway. A Google Maps point of interest is attached to this video.